So you're thinking about moving to Las Colinas? Well, there are several new buildings that opened recently. This one is about 1 year old, but it looks brand new, and I love this property. So today I'm taking you guys on a tour of the Mustang. And if you want to move anywhere in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, I've got you covered. Just make sure to click the link below or give me a call or text to this number right here, and I will help you with everything you need. Okay, so let's get started with this tour of the Mustang in Las Colinas, Irving, Texas. One really cool thing about Las Colinas is that there's a man-made lake here, and if you live in the Mustang on that side of the building, you will get a great view of the water. So without further ado, let's get in here and check it out. This is definitely giving like a hotel vibe. Grand entrance for sure. And the automatic doors. Hi, good, how are you? Yes, I am. They've got the Christmas music going, and yes, this was during December when I filmed this. As you can see, the decor is beautiful. They have a bar right here and loads of decor, accessories, just so gorgeous, so cute. It feels very homey, very cozy. I can imagine drinking a hot cup of cocoa. A champagne vending machine. How bougie is this? I've never seen this in my life. That is insane. This is just the mailroom. Is this where Amazon packages go? Okay.
And then we have a food delivery pod over here, which is something new. So all like Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, everything gets delivered there.
Oh, cool.
And then oversized packages go in that closet.
Nice.
And then we have the business suites.
Are these for everyone to use?
So we have the conference room and then 2 offices that are first come, first served for residents to use. The other 5 are available for lease.
Okay. Are they all in this area? The other 5?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, and you get a view of the water over here. Nice. Oh, this is so pretty. Cool. Cool. It smells so clean in here. Like brand new. Cute. Oh, so this is like a second little fit. Oh, this is big. This is not little. Lots of mirrors in here. Oh, could have dance classes or like yoga classes. Are there any classes here?
We're trying to find, this is 2-bedroom.
2-bedroom model, okay. I like the light finishes, the light gray and white, super clean looking. Do you know what size this is?
It's 1,118 square feet.
Okay. Nice. Super clean, brand new, everything. Ooh, and it overlooks the water. So only the ones on this side of the building have a water view. Yeah, the patio's not huge, but you don't need much of a patio because all you gotta do is sit out here and look at this. Beautiful. Also, there's a trail down here, so if you have a dog or you like to run or walk in the morning, this is perfect. You can go all the way around here.
It does go all the way around the lake. It's almost 3 miles.
Nice.
It's like 2.8 miles if they walk that trail around the whole lake.
Nice. It's like the Katy Trail that we have in Uptown. Cute. This closet is small. What? Most places have a walk-in closet.
The master does.
Okay, cool. The finishes are really nice in here, though. It reminds me of like a high rise. Big windows, king size bed. This is a big room. Ooh, I love this bathroom. Yes, the tub is everything. So you get a tub and a shower here. And this one has a walk-in closet with built-ins. Love, love, love this. Okay, so totally didn't see this when I walked in, but this is a laundry room. So this makes up for the second bedroom not having much closet space for sure. Y'all, this is my favorite part. Look at this view. It reminds me of Chicago with all the high rises near the water. And this green space right here. Oh, there's golf down there. Yes. But just look at this. You can't get this in the city of Dallas. You got to come out just a little bit, just 15 minutes. It's a quick drive. Oh, this is the pool? So many chairs. It is just like a resort out here. What? Thank you. Yes, once the weather gets nice, oh my gosh, this would be so nice for a pool party. Are there many resident events here?
We do, so we host about 2 a month.
Okay, cool. Lounge
The resident
area?
lounge, yeah.
Oh, it's so cute.
Residents can reserve it as well. It's $150 per hour when you reserve it. You get access to the entire indoor space. You have the dining room. Off of the dining room, there's a catering kitchen.
Right here?
Yes. So there's like food warmers in there, microwave, mini fridge, ice maker.
It looks like the private room of a nice restaurant. Yeah, so cute. Is there a kitchen back there?
Yes, that's where like the food warmers and the microwave and stuff is.
Wow. Okay. Cool. Yeah, this is really nice. It complements the champagne vending machine.
Right.
The chandeliers. Yeah, I can tell they spent money on this, like, for sure.
For sure, yes.
One time, I need you, I need you, I need you, I need you.